Welcome back to the channel. Today we are staining a wooden carport to protect it from weathering. Sun, rain and snow can damage exposed wood. But with the right stain, you will enhance its natural beauty and add years of protection. Let's go step by step. We are on a mission to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year, and your support makes a real difference. Thanks for being part of the journey and welcome to the MG Factor. I have compiled few steps that will be helpful, like preparing the surface, sand if needed, choice of a right stain which is designed for UV and moisture protection, applying the stain through brush or roller or a sprayer, wipe excess paint or the stain, dry and reapply, allow proper drying time, apply a second coat if needed, and once everything is done, do a final inspection. Check for the coverage and touch up any missing areas. Let's look at some of the do's and don'ts. Do stain on a dry day with mild temperature. Do wear gloves and protective gear. Do test the stain on the small area first. There are certain things which you should avoid, such as applying directly in harsh sunlight. It causes uneven drying. Don't skip cleaning. Dirt and mildew prevent stain adhesion. Don't rush drying between coats. Now that we have covered all the important aspects of staining, so let's get the job done. Enjoy the video and follow the steps. It all came out really well. Thanks for watching. And that's it. With just a little prep and the right stain, your wooden carport is now protected and ready to stand strong against the elements. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's free and helps me create more DIY and home maintenance videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.